What's going on, guys? Just woke up. Alan Cortez here, aka the Bird Bay, and today I wanted to take you through Alfie's daily routine. It's about 8 a.m., I would say. Right now, I'm going to go wake Alfie up to get him ready to eat his breakfast. So let's go see what Alfie's up to right now. So basically, the day starts off by me waking up Alfie, giving him some morning lubbies, and then from there, he's super excited. He does his bird dookie in the morning, and then we give him some breakfast and we hang out. So let's go wake him up right now. All right, so this is Alfie's bird room here. I'm going to get a red-fronted macaw later this year, so I already got a cage set up here. Don't know what I'm going to call him yet, but let's see what Alfie's up to. Alfie, good morning, buddy. How you doing? He's not sure of the camera right now, so he's like, back up, back up. You see that? You see that body language there? That means I don't know who you are. Back up. So I'm going to take a step back here. Alfie, come here, buddy. So give him some morning lubbies. Oh, good bird, buddy. As you can tell, Alfie's not a morning bird sometimes, and Alfie does not like surprises. Good morning, buddy. So it starts off with some morning lubbies. Good morning, buddy. And then generally, I will wait for him to do his business, and then we're going to go get him some food. So I'm actually potty training him right now. And what I do basically is I make sure he goes to the bathroom first every morning before he gets out of the cage and before I let him out every time, so he starts learning, hey, when I go poop, I can get out of the cage and I get to go to human. Little taco bird. Poop. Go poop, buddy. Poop. Go poop, buddy. Oh, morning dookies. So then I wait for that, and I say, good bird, buddy. All right, let's go get you some breakfast. And then from there, Alfie and I are going to go get some breakfast. Come here, buddy. And now it is breakfast time. So I usually put him down here. This is Alfie's hangout spot. He gets super excited because breakfast is coming. So in the morning what I'll do is I will feed him his pellets. These have lots of nutrients in them. And he will get a combination of a certain amount of pellets that I figured out is like the sweet spot for him. And from there, we'll get his pellets in his bowl. Come here, buddy. And here comes Alfie. Come here, buddy. See him getting super excited? Alfie. Come here. Come. Elfie. Hi, buddy. Good morning. Oh, you want your little breakfast, huh, buddy? Oh, yeah, you do. Hi, little cuteness. Look how excited he is. What you doing? Ready for breakfast, aren't you? So with his pellets, I'll make sure that he has a certain amount that's going to be just enough to keep him happy until he has to eat again for dinner. And then from there, we want to make sure that we weigh out or we count how many pellets we're giving him. So when I do trick training or I train with him later, flight training, harness training, whatever, we make sure that he's motivated enough to want to eat after, it gets closer to the afternoon time. So from there, we're going to call Elfie over. Come here, buddy. It's time to eat. Come on. Good bird, buddy. Oh, Elfie. Ready for breakfast, aren't you? So from there, we will have his bowl ready. And we're going to go get ready to give him his breakfast. Woo! Elfie, it's time to eat, buddy. Woo! He gets excited when he's going to get his morning breakfast. Woo! It's time to eat, buddy. Yeah, you're excited, huh? All right, Elfie. Can you spin? Elfie, spin. Wave. Wave. Good bird. Whistle. Elfie. Whistle. Good bird. All right. Give me a kiss. Good bird. And then he gets his food bowl. It's time to eat, buddy. So cute. He runs over, puts it in his bowl, dips it in, and starts eating. All right, so this is usually the first thing we do in the morning. We make sure he's fed, we make sure he's happy, and then from there, what we're gonna probably do next is we're gonna go for a walk in his harness after he eats around my apartment complex where I'm at. Just get him some sunlight, get him some exercise, and from there, we'll probably hang out throughout the day. If I'm, doing chores, he'll be hanging out on his perch outside, and he'll just be hanging out, doing his own bird things, playing with his toys. But let's keep you posted for the next time and what we're going to do later. So it's after breakfast, and usually after breakfast, Elfie likes to play with his toys and drop them all over the place. He's not sure about this camera right now. He's like, back up, back up. I don't do new experiences. But after he eats, he'll usually start hanging out and playing with his toys. All right, so I got my little Elfie Welf here. We're going to get ready to go for a walk around the apartment complex. So sometimes I try to do this more frequently on the weekend or in the afternoon during the weekday, part of our daily routine. So we got to get his harness on first. So let me show you how to do that. So now he got his little treat. We're going to put his harness on him like so. Get his little wing through. Now this was a process in itself to get Elfie used to his harness because he likes to flap around. Make sure his wing's on there. Go to the other side. Put his wing through. Make sure that this thing is even, and this is the confusing part. Sometimes when you're doing it for the first few times, pull that through, pull the loop through. Good bird, buddy. Yeah, good bird. Woo! Let me double check that everything looks good. So it's a little loose. Gotta tighten it up a little bit. And by the way, Elfie was a super fearful bird when I first got him. So for him to be able to put this harness on is a big deal, at least for me. All right, buddy. There you go. You ready to go? Give me a kiss. Oh, good bird. All right, so we are getting ready to go for a walk around our apartment complex. We got Elfie on his harness, ready to go. All right, Elfie, you ready, buddy? Woo! So when I'm walking him around with his harness on to try to give him positive reinforcement, I'll give him treats along the way so that he starts to, relate going outside and putting his harness on to getting treats and just being able to get out. So let's go. Oh yeah, you know this place, huh? Daily routine or something like that. Want to make sure that I don't fall. I'm going to fall in front of you guys right now going down these stairs, and I'm going to get it on camera. All right. Going out. Oh. Yeah, buddy. Getting ready to go for a walk, huh? Woo! This is my favorite part, and this is part of the reason why I love harness training my bird, because I get to take him places with me. If he wasn't harness trained, fully flighted, could fly away at any time, you just wouldn't get him back anymore. So it's part of what we do, huh, Elfie? Yeah, good bird, buddy. Woo! All right, continuing our walk with Elfie here. So cute. Love being able to get out with him. Oh, Elfie, hi, buddy. Hanging out in the tree. Sometimes Elfie hangs out in the trees and takes the opportunity to attack his harness, as you might see right now. Hi, buddy. Oh, yeah. Woo! Hi, buddy. Oh, good bird, buddy. Yeah, the lubbies. He's like, get off of me, human. So cute. Oh, Elfie, you hanging out, buddy? Where you going? Attack harness. You leave that harness alone, buddy. You leave that harness alone. All right, so we are getting ready to go back inside after our walk. Gonna get Elfie some veggie snacks for the afternoon. We're gonna hang out, and I will see you guys in a little bit. All right, so we're back from our walk. We're gonna take Elfie off of his harness and make sure we give him a treat so that he remembers last time he went out and we hung out, he got a treat for wearing his harness. So usually taking it off is a little bit easier than putting it on for him. One wing, good bird. And now the other wing. Pop it off the top. Oh, good bird, buddy. Oh, good bird. Oh, little shake. There you go. Now he got this treat. We're going to hang out. And he's going to get some veggie snacks after. All right, we got a green bean for Mr. Elfie. Ooh, you want that green bean, don't you? Come here, buddy. Where are you going? Come here. Come. Come here. Oh, good bird. You got your green bean. There you go, buddy. I usually try to make sure that Elfie does some sort of trick or a little baby flap or a little fly to me, so he gets to earn his treats and he's just not eating all day. But as you can see, Elfie loves his snap peas. Nom, 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 nom. Good. All right, so now it's getting closer to the afternoon, right before training. Alfie's been hanging out. I've been doing some chores, and he's been squeaking and squeaking, which usually means, hey, I'm getting hungry, or hey, I want some lubbies and some attention. So at this time, I'll just kind of hang out with him, see if he wants lubbies, and just kind of pet him, hang out. Oh, good bird, buddy. Yeah, good bird. He's been hanging out long enough, and he reached his cracking point, and he can't stay quiet anymore. So I don't blame him. Good bird, buddy. So we'll just hang out on the couch. Little lubby session. He gets little scratches. Hangs out. He'll usually just be on my shoulder. And we'll be hanging out. And then sometimes I'll flip him over like a little taco. Yeah. All right, so now we're getting toward the end of the day. Alfie's hungry. He's been chirping nonstop. So now we're going to do a little bit of training. It's usually about 10, 15 minutes, depending on kind of how responsive Alfie is going to be to training. It's going to vary a little bit day to day. So we're going to do a couple sessions of flight training, and then we're going to do a little bit of trick training, and then he is going to eat his dinner. So let's see what Alfie can do. Come here. Good bird, buddy. You did it. Woo! All right, so we got Elfie. Little flight training getting started, little baby hops. One of his wings back here is growing out, so I'm not trying to make him fly too far because we're trying to build confidence. And I know he can fly. We're just trying to get his skills better because he used to fly like really far, way farther. So anyway, let's try this again. All right, buddy, you ready? Come here. Good bird, buddy. Little trick there. Sometimes Alfie doesn't want to fly for the little tiny peanut, but when I show him the big old almond, his motivation goes up a little bit higher. That's a pro tip for you guys. Use the big peanut for the extra motivation, but I had the small one in there too. Nom, 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 nom. You ready to fetch? Fetch. Good bird, buddy. All right, so now we are trick training Alfie, and I've been teaching him how to fetch recently, so this is where I come to train him to fetch. See, he's trying to whistle now. I've tried it on different surfaces, but I've realized that the fetch works best on flat surfaces with like minimum distraction, because I've had surfaces where it's elevated a little bit, and then he's just going to go walk up to the edge and try to perch. Alfie, can you spin? Spin. Wave. Good bird. Whistle. Kiss. Good bird. Good bird, buddy. And now we're gonna do another round of fetch. Elfie, fetch. Go get it, buddy. Good bird, buddy. Elfie, come here, buddy. It's time to eat. Come here. Sometimes Elfie's gotta work up the courage. Good bird, buddy. Ready to eat? Give me a kiss. Kiss. Come on. Kiss. Good bird. Woo! It's time to eat. Woo! It's time to eat, buddy. Woo! All right, guys. So now it's about 6:30, and it's time for Elfie to go to sleep. And we're gonna get him covered up. Get him some nighttime lubbies. He likes his nighttime lubbies before he goes to bed. We're gonna cover him up and make sure the room's dark. He's gonna sleep probably about 12, 14 hours, and we do it again tomorrow. So this is kind of an average weekday, so to speak, for Elfie in terms of just kind of our daily routine and kind of what goes on throughout the day. So a lot of consistency is important, especially when developing a good relationship with your parrot. And, it's going to be a little bit different. Sometimes we'll go on a hike on the weekend. Sometimes we're going to be hanging out all day. Sometimes we're going to the park with everyone. So make sure to tell me what you thought about this video in the comment section below. Make sure you let me know in the comments what other topics you want me to cover. Maybe something you want to learn about Elfie and what we do. Whether that could be diet, flight training, behavior stuff, whatever it is, let me know. Drop it in the comments. And be sure to check us out on Instagram as well in the description below. There's also going to be a link in the description to check out our Facebook community that you can be a part of, whether you're a current parrot owner or you're an aspiring parrot owner and you just want to be with a like-minded community of others who love parrots, love their birds, want to help each other, learn about different tips, tricks, and anything that we cover regarding, diet, behavior stuff, trick training, free flight, all that good stuff is there. It's there as a resource. Thank you, Alan and Elfie, and we will see you guys next time.